Hi guys, it's Tracy and I'm back today with the Boxycharm base box. Let me move this out a bit. And this came right after I filmed for the premium box. So we're gonna see what's in the box and see what we think. I'm wearing things today on my face from the premium box. The eyeshadow I have on today is from the Smashbox palette, and I actually think it turned out pretty nice. And I'm wearing the red lip, which if you've been with me for a while, you know I don't wear red lips, but it's actually really comfortable and we'll see what happens. So this was in the shade Cameron, number 12 Cameron. So that's what's on my face today. Oh, and I have the blush on too, the Becca blush. Mister's here for moral support. We still have rain and clouds, and we may have a Chihuahua Symphony as well. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So I only cracked the seal here, so I don't know what's in the box. Do you? Did you look? Better not cheat. Oh no. We had some sort of a malfunction. Yikes. Okay. Take the cards out first. Here we have the same card that was in the other one, Makeup Eraser, 20% off. And here's the card, Festival Vibes, and my box has Festival Vibes. So it looks like, let's get a makeup wipe out here. It must be a liquid highlighter. Yeah, the top wasn't screwed on. Oh, I don't think it really ruined anything else though, just the box. So let's see. Wow, it made a mess in the box though. So this is Iconic London Illuminator. And let's see, it just says Illuminator, $41. It's a concentrated liquid shimmer, can be added to foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop is super concentrated shimmer elixir, glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. So yeah, it'll be okay. It's just on the box, so we might as well do a swatch of it since it's already out of the box. It's really pretty. Okay, so that is number one. Did I just say $41? Wow. Okay, next here we have the Benefit Porefessional, and this is for pore filling, which I already have a full size one of this. I was kind of hoping to get the hydrating one. Oh, it was on the box, but it didn't really do any damage on there. So that's still okay. And let's see, this is $32. It says it quickly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balm alone, under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect the skin from free radicals. I need to start using it on bare skin. Like today I don't have any foundation on. I was just gonna film this video and I don't have anything else to do because of the C19. So I will have to leave the house tomorrow though. So hopefully it'll be quick. And then let's see, Lavish 5-piece neon brush set. So let's see here, this is $29.99. It says it's a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes that you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. They're really pretty colors. So we have a fine liner brush, so for eyeliner. And this little orange one, it says it's a pencil brush, so a liner and a pencil. And then this one says tapered blending. That's really pretty. I like the colors of them. And then, ooh, this blue one's pretty. We have eye shading and then a eyebrow and a spoolie. So 5 little brushes. I like the little packages that they've been sending the brushes in like this. They sent me something else that had this packaging. And it's nice if you're traveling because then you can just keep your brushes in one spot. So this is nice. And then next up we have the original makeup eraser in Sunset, which has stuff on the box. Now, is this a full-size one? Let's see. This says it's $22. Let's take a look. I just ordered some of the bamboo cotton rounds so that I could not buy. Ooh, that's pretty. So that I can, you know, stop buying cotton rounds because I know they're not good. So nice and soft, really nice. So this says it's $22 for sure. I'll use this. And then the last item was my choice item, and this is from Elemis, and this is the Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice. This is $48, and it said it is loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe. This gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. The vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced looking complexion. So this is a really good sized bottle too. How much does it? 1.6 ounces, so nice sized bottle. And I'm just running out of the Glow Recipe watermelon serum, so I think this will be a good replacement for that because I think it's like a gel. Kind of, yeah, kind of like the watermelon. So that's nice. So let's see what the box was worth. These are actually all pretty good products. So we had 32 plus 48 plus 41. What do you think, mister? 30, 22. $173. So pretty good value for $25. And I forgot to say, if you are new or you don't know what Boxycharm is, I like to describe it as a makeup mystery box. You could get skincare, makeup, tools. It varies all the time. There's many different variations, so you may not get the same box that I get, and other people will get different boxes. There's different variations. They've started letting us choose an item. So like this month I got to choose that I wanted this item, or you can leave it up to them and they'll choose for you. And this box is $25. And this is just called their base box. And then every 3rd month they have an upgrade that's called their Luxe box, and that is $50, and it's $300 of product, and that's every 3rd month. So I think it's March, June, September, and December. You don't have to get that, but you can choose to get that. And then they've just recently, or not recently, but within the past probably what, 6, 7, 8 months, they've launched their premium box, which is $35. And you get $225 of product, and that one is their, so like their mid-range box. So I get the base box, I get the premium box, and then every 3rd month I do upgrade and I get the Luxe box. And when you upgrade to the Luxe box, you won't get the base box, you'll just get a big box of all kinds of goodies. And I've been getting it for a long time, and sometimes they're hit and miss, but I can usually pass things on, or you know, recycle them in some way, get someone that will use it, or take it off my hands, or give it to friends, family, you know, what have you. So I do have a referral code. I'll leave it in the description box below. It gets you a free item, and it gets me 500 charms, which are, what are you doing? Mister's knocking things over. I don't even know what you knocked over. But it gets me charms, which you can spend in their charm room. And sometimes they have items that you can buy with your points or your charms. and I don't get any money. So if you're interested, use my code. If not, just go to boxycharm.com and it'll step you right through how to sign up. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked seeing what I got in my box. If you missed my premium unboxing, I'll put it up in the cards here. And make sure to subscribe before you leave. I would really appreciate it. And make sure to come back next month when I will review all the products and let you know what I thought about them. And I'll leave like last month's box and my reviews of those up here as well if you want to check those out if you're new. And if you were a returning viewer, thanks so much for coming back. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys are all staying safe and staying inside and are well. So I'm staying inside until tomorrow, and I have to brave the outdoors. So wish me luck. So I hope that you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.